All right, today we're looking at the Marketing Library Research Guide under Market Research tab. We're going to check out our market research databases. We're going to scroll down to Reference Solutions here. We're going to select this database. We're going to use it to better understand demographics of our potential customers. You'll notice you can search by businesses, you can find a customer, you can do a universal search. I want to find a customer though. I want to build a customer profile for my market plan. Now you can start typing names or figuring out if you want everybody whose last name starts with T, first name, or cities. You can even do it by states. You can do it by phone number, area codes, things like that. I want a zip code. I want to see what this zip code looks like because I want to build a business there. Now you'll notice that I have 42,000 people. Every person. Now I can pick a random person here and we can learn about this individual. We can see where they live, they're single, we can see that they lived there for 5 years, their estimated household income, we can see how much their home is worth. We can also see, oh, they like gourmet food and wine. They're our credit card users. They have the internet. So we know a little bit about them based off their hobbies. I know that seems like a bit intrusive, but this is the kind of data that is available to you as a marketing research person based off of these databases. When people say they sell your data, this is the kind of stuff that's being sold. So let's look at the map. This is always fun. So here's our demographics. This is our area. It's the Alamo Ranch. We can look at a summary of this. We can say, I want to see the estimated home values and the estimated age of the people that own these homes. And we can say, based off of the home values, under 25, 35 to 39 years of age, we can see what the average homeowner's age is, and it looks like the vast majority of the people's homes are between 300 and 350,000, and that our largest age group is around the 35 to 39,000 or the 25 to 29,000. Those are some pretty big age groups we got in there. So it looks like it's an up and coming young area, fairly affluent. And so if I wanted to build a business, I would want something for up and coming, fairly affluent, young to middle-aged adults who are maybe just starting out with their families but have solid careers. But this kind of information is what you can do, and you can export it to Excel or you can print this so you can create a marketing plan based off of the demographics of the people in this area.